Hello, friends. I'm back with another unique idea of cement garden crafts. Cement garden crafts have become increasingly popular in recent years due to their durability and versatility and affordability. They can be used for both indoor and outdoor decoration, and the possibilities for creativity are endless. In this video, we will explore some ideas for both indoor and outdoor decorative cement crafts. So first of all, indoor decorative cement crafts ideas, and they are number one, cement planters. You can create unique planters of different shapes and sizes for your indoor plants. You can use silicone molds or even recyclable containers to create your desired shape. Number two is cement candle holder. You can make beautiful candle holders by pouring cement into a mold with a hole for the candle. You can also add color to the cement or use decorative stones to give it an extra touch. Number three is cement bookends. You can make bookends using cement and silicone molds. You can add decorative elements like seashells or stones to make them more interesting. Number four is cement coasters. You can make cement coasters by pouring cement into a silicone mold and adding color or design elements like patterns, lines, or geometric shapes. Number five is a cement wall art. You can make beautiful wall art by pouring cement into silicone molds in shape of your desired design. You can paint or add decorative elements to make it more appealing. Then there are some outdoor decorative cement crafts, that is cement garden ornaments. You can make beautiful garden ornaments like bird baths, stepping stones, statues, or even garden benches using cement. You can add color or use decorative stones or mosaic to make it more appealing. Then there is cement pavers. You can make beautiful pavers for your outdoor spaces like using cement. You can add color or decorative elements to create unique designs. Then cement fire pits. You can make beautiful fire pits using cement. You can add color or decorative elements to create unique designs. Then there is cement flower pots. You can make beautiful flower pots using cement. And then there you can make also cement outdoor furniture, and you can make outdoor furniture like benches and chairs using cements. In conclusion, cement crafts can be used for both indoor and outdoor decoration. These are endless possibilities for creativity, and you can add your own touch to create unique and beautiful designs. The durability of cement crafts also ensures that they will last for years to come. So this is all about today's video. I hope so you like it. If you like our channel, subscribe us and hit the like